Welcome to the world of GK. Today let's do a quick revision. If you not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and enable bell icon to get all notifications. Let's start. Our first question. What is the sign language of Punjabi? Answer Gurmukhi. Second, who is the founder of Arya Samaj? Answer Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Third, in which place Lord Buddha has been enlightened? Answer Bodh Gaya. Fourth, Pongal is a famous festival of which state? Answer Tamil Nadu. Fifth, who was the first female ruler of India? Answer Sultana Razia. Sixth, Bihu is a famous festival of which state? Answer Assam. Seventh, gooseberry is a rich source of which vitamin? Answer vitamin C. 8. Insulin is used to cure which disease? Answer diabetes mellitus. 9. The sun rises in which state of India firstly? Answer Arunachal Pradesh. 10th. What is the southernmost area of Indian land? Answer Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari is located in Tamil Nadu. 11th. Who gave the slogan Ingulab Zindabad? Answer Bhagat Singh. 12th. Who is the Supreme Commander of Indian Armed Forces? Answer President. 13. When did Jallianwala Bagh tragedy takes place? Answer on 13th April 1919. 14th. Fish takes breath through? Answer gills. 15th. Philanthus emblica is the scientific name of Indian gooseberry. 16. Who invented television? Answer John L. Bayard. 17. Night blindness is caused due to the lack of which vitamin? Answer vitamin A. 18. In which country paper was invented? Answer China. 19th. The childhood name of Gautam Buddha? Answer Siddharth. 20. Who was the first Governor General of India? Answer Lord William Bentinck. 21st. The first martyr of 1957 revolt? Answer Mangal Pandey. 22nd. The first female governor of India? Answer Sarojini Naidu. 23rd. First Indian woman who summited Mount Everest twice? Answer Santosh Yadav. 24th. Founder of Brahma Samaj? Raja Ram Mohan Roy. 25th. In which city J.P. Saunders was killed? Answer Lahore. 26th. Who said back to Vedas? Answer Swami Dayanand Saraswati. 27. Real name of Swami Dayanand Saraswati? Answer Mool Shankar. 28. When was Vasco da Gama came to India? Answer 1498 AD. 29. When was East India Company established in India? Answer 1600 AD. 30th question. After leaving Congress, Subhash Chandra Bose founded which organization? Answer All India Forward Bloc. 31st. Who is known as Punjab Kesari? Answer Lala Lajpat Rai. 32. Akbar was impressed by which Sikh Guru? Answer Guru Ramdas. 33. Guru Nanak Dev was born in which place? Answer Nankana Sahib. Next one. Vijay Ghat in Delhi is associated with whom? Answer Lal Bahadur Shastri. Next one. Who was the permanent president of Constituent Assembly? Answer Dr. Rajendra Prasad. 16th. Number is Mistaken. Who has given the concept of Khalsa? Answer, Guru Govind Singh. Next one, who wrote Arthashastra? Answer, Kautilya. Next one, who is known as Iron Man of India? Answer, Sardar Vallabhai Patel. Who has given the concept of preface in Indian Constitution? Answer, Jawaharlal Nehru. Next one, when we observe the Red Cross Day? Answer, 8th May. We have already completed 40 questions. Next one is, Onam is the famous festival of which state? Answer, Kerala. Next one, which country is known as the land of rising sun? Answer, Japan. Next one, when Delhi has become the capital of India? Answer, 1911 AD. Next one, when planet is known as galaxy-like planet? Which planet is known as galaxy-like planet? Answer, Saturn. 25th, which is the largest satellite of solar system? Answer, Ganymede. Next one, India's first woman president? Answer, Srimati Pratibha Patil. Next one, India's first woman prime minister? Answer, Indira Gandhi. Next one, India's first woman governor? Answer, Sarojini Naidu. Next one, India's first woman ruler? Answer, Razia Sultana, and she belongs to slave dynasty. Next one, India's first woman IPS officer? Answer, Kiran Bedi. Next one, first woman chief minister of a state? Answer, Sucheta Kripalani. She was chief minister of UP. Next one, first woman union minister? Answer, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. She was union health minister. Next one, first woman president of INC? Answer, Annie Besant. Next one, which woman judge? First woman judge of Supreme Court? Answer, M. Fatima Bibi. Next one, first woman to get Ashoka Chakra? Answer, Neerja Bhanot. Next one, first Indian woman ambassador at United Nations? Answer, Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Next one, first Indian woman to swim across English Channel? Answer, Aarti Saha. Next one, first Indian woman to get the Nobel Prize? Answer, Mother Teresa. It was in the year 1979. Next one, first Indian woman to climb the Mount Everest? Answer, Bachendri Pal. Next question, first Indian woman to become Miss Universe? Answer, Susmita Sen. Next one, first Indian woman to become Miss World? Answer, Rita Faria. Next one, first Indian woman to get Bharat Ratna? Answer, Srimati Indira Gandhi. Next question, first woman to get Jnanpith Award? Answer, Asha Purna Devi. Next one, first Indian woman to go to space? Answer, Kalpana Chawla. Next one, first woman musician to get Bharat Ratna? Answer, M.S. Subbulakshmi. Next one, first Indian woman to win the Booker Prize? Answer, Arundhati Roy. Next one, first Indian woman president of INC? Answer, Sarojini Naidu. It was in the year 1925. Next one, first Indian woman airline pilot? Answer, Durga Banerjee. Next one, first Indian woman to win WTA title, that is Women's Tennis Association? Answer, Sania Mirza. Next one, Which gland is known as master gland? Answer, pituitary gland. Next one, first metal used by human. Answer, copper. Next one, pacemaker is associated with which organ? Answer, heart. Next one, Indian calendar follows which pattern? Answer, Shaka Samvad. Next question, who has written National Song of India? Answer, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Vande Mataram is our national song. What is the ratio of national flag? Answer, 3:2. Next one, who has given the title Rashtrapita to Mahatma Gandhi? Answer, Subhash Chandra Bose. That's all about today's revision. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and visit the channel for more videos.